Hello, how's it going? Welcome to the Beat Machine tutorial videos. In this video, we're going to be going over the basic Beat Machine component and jumping into building beats utilizing this generate button. And so when you click on this generate button, it opens up the generate panel, which is hooked up to the Beat Machine AI pattern generate database, which is trained on a variety of different genres, and it allows you to create beats. Utilizing this platform, you can easily generate a variety of different beats, as well as, fine-tune your existing beats with the parameters below. And so this first one, tempo, just makes it so when it's unchecked, it doesn't change the tempo. So you saw it just changed the tempo, but if I uncheck it, it will stay the same. Clear last just deletes the existing beats, so things get rather loud. So that's usually good to leave on. Rows only is very useful because you can kind of use it to modify existing beats and generate ideas for just specific rows. So utilizing these rows on the right side, I can select rows and then it will only generate those samples there. This can further be added to with the second drop down, which allows you to specify whether or not you want to use drums or melody, kind of sample base for these rows that are generated. Again, this is very useful for kind of fine tuning and just like thinking about some fresh ideas to switch up your songs. Lastly, there's the augment feature, which adds an extra layer of randomness to the generation. So it kind of splices patterns together. And so in turn, you can get a lot of weird sounding beats. Sometimes these beats end up sounding really amazing, and other times, they're kind of bad. And so it's very much experimental. But overall, like, this allows, you to go in and easily kind of get ideas or add to or, switch it up in your songs. Also, kind of once you have these beats generated, it's easy to kind of jump in and utilize that kind of the existing create tools to build and modify these beats. So going in, I can select any kind of sample in this sample selection, and then I can place it down by just clicking on the sequencer. And let's say I can modify with all these parameters that we're going to go into in the next video. But right now, kind of the other thing I can do is using the same row selection features. I can also say clear just the row. I can kind of select randomness inside the row. And again, this is all hooked up to this undo and redo system. And so kind of that's the basis of how I can get into kind of the create mode. In the next video, we're going to be going over the edit mode and how to edit beats, as well as how to take these patterns and generate full songs. And so we can go in and now this song will play, which we can then export, which we'll all go over in the next video. Thanks for watching. We're looking forward to see what you make, and peace.